Reporting Employee Stock Purchase Plan ESPP sales in H&R Block. Employee Stock Purchase Plan ESPPs provide employees with an opportunity to purchase company stock at discounted price. Understanding the tax implications of ESPP sales is crucial for accurate tax reporting. And for this, let's summarize the information provided in the link. Begin by visiting H&R Block website and access the page dedicated to ESPP taxes. For this, go to H&R Block ESPP taxes webpage. Once on the webpage, familiarize yourself with the information provided regarding tax treatment of ESPP sales. Sign in to your H&R Block online account or create a new account if you haven't done so. Follow the prompts provided to navigate to the section of your tax return where you can report ESPP sales. Enter the details of your ESPP sales, including the sale date, sale price, and any other relevant information. Take advantage of H&R Block's tools and resources designed to simplify the process of reporting ESPP sales. Review your tax return carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you're satisfied with the ESPP sale entries, follow the prompts to submit your tax return electronically using H&R Block Online. The platform will guide you through the final steps of filling your return with IRS. And this was everything you needed to know about ESPP sales in H&R Block. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.